general, what the people in your country eat?
What do the people?
What do the people eat for breakfast?
In general, the people in my country eat rice for breakfast.
Okay, ask her.
In general, what do the people in your country eat for breakfast?
In general, the people in my country eat natto for breakfast.
Okay, good. Okay, next. This is a review exercise. We just review. What's the difference between students and the students? Sorry? What's the difference between students and the students? Answer. What's the difference between students and the students?
I don't know.
The difference between
The difference between
students and the students
students
and
and
the
the
students
student
is that students means
students means
all students
all students
in general.
in general.
The students
Students
means
means
a specific group
a specific group
of students.
of students.
Okay, what's the difference between students and the students?
The difference
The difference between
between students and the students
is that students
students
means
all
Students.
students in general, and the students means specific
a specific group of.
of students.
Okay, ask her. Ask her question. What's the difference
What's the difference
between?
between the student and students?
Okay, good. Answer. The difference between. Okay, say what's the difference between 10 times? 5 times. What's the difference between 5 times?
What's the difference between? What's the difference between? What's the difference between? What's the difference between? What's the difference between?
Then the difference between 5 times. The difference between 5
The
times.
difference between a bit difference between the difference between the difference between the difference between the difference between.
Okay, ask her again.
What's the difference between the student and student?
Okay. Sir?
What's
The difference between.
the difference between students and the students is that
student
means all
students
students
in general.
in general.
The students
The student means
a specific
a specific
group
group
of
of students.
students. Okay. So when the students have difficult time to speak the part of the sentence, which is very useful in real life, we can tell that 5 times. Then after that we ask. Okay. And then did you realize I always lead the students to complete the sentence? I didn't wait because this is a little bit technical. So it's difficult for the students to memorize the whole sentence because it's long. And usually students or we don't like it because it's technical. So when it comes to a technical term, we just lead the students. So students can remember by the rhythm. And also she can study at night. This time, for here, you are winning. Okay, next.
Can I ask you,
Yes.
what is the specific means?
Specific is
One group, one
group. Specific means special, something special.
Special.
Not everything.
Like individual.
Yes, individual.
Okay.
Special
Thank you.
type. Okay, specific.
Thank you.
Okay, next question. Do the students at Story Share study English? Do the students at Story Share study English?
Students at SSI study English.
Okay, again.
The students at SSI study English.
Okay, ask her.
Do the students at SSI study English?
Yeah.
Yes.
Answer, sorry.
Yes. The students at SSI is studying English.
Okay, again.
The students at SSI study English.
Okay, good. Should students study her? Should students study her?
Students should study her.
Okay, ask her.
Should students study her?
Yes, students study hard. Students should study hard.
Okay, good. Are the teachers at Story Share good?
Yes.
Maybe not. Okay. Are the teachers at Story Share good?
The teachers are at Story Share good.
Story to share? Are the teachers at Story Share good?
Teachers are story share.
Is?
Story share good.
No.
At
Are the teachers at Story Share good?
The teachers at Story Share are good.
Okay. Sentence is okay, but Story Share.
Story Share.
Okay. Ask her.
The teachers at Story Share good.
teachers at story share are good.
See, she's saying Story to share. Story share.
Story share.
Yeah. Again.
The teachers.
Yes.
That
Yes.
need that.
Yes.
The teachers at story share are good.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Again, one more time.
The teachers story share
At.
are at the teachers at story share are good.
Okay. Should the teachers be punctual?
Teachers should be punctual.
Okay. Again.
Teachers should be punctual.
Okay. Ask her.
Should teachers be punctual?
Yes, teacher. That one without that.
What do you think?
Without.
Yes.
Teachers should be punctual.
Okay. Good. Like that. Did you get? Okay. Someone. Dean. Adele.